Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. This is Prince here, your trading friend. Friends, today I'm going to give you a testimony before before I show my live trading video, before showing how the analysis we did today and how we handle today's market. I just want to give you a testimony of a person who never gave up. Okay, because the secret of our success is that we never give up. Yes, and the person is none other than myself. Friends, before going forward, I would just like to show, yeah, this particular Excel. Friends, for many of you who are seeing this for the first time, you might be wondering it's after all an Excel. But all of those who are seeing my video from March 9th, because we started trading from March 9th, knows the real reason behind this Excel, and why am I so proud of it. Okay, because these are all live trades, and as soon as I finish my trades, I have recorded in my Excel sheet. And why am I giving a testimony today? Because I want to show this Excel to all those people, those who doubted me, those who never believed me, those who discouraged me in the starting when I started off trading. I agree this situation would have come to many of you as well. Today, why I felt like saying this video is because, friends, today I remember one of my uncle who discouraged me in the initial stages when I started off with trading, that telling that trading is not for you. You better concentrate on your job, better concentrate on your studies, do good in your studies, learn from me, see from me, and all those things. Who told me all those things? Today he called me to tell that Prince, he is on a verge of losing his job because of this corona effect. He's been sent home, and since he's already aged, he might lose his income. So that at that point of time, I was just laughing in myself, thinking that I have come to a situation where, because of the corona effect, my incomes have increased. You can see that the returns have been double than usually what we get every month. Usually every month we make around 10 to 20% decent returns, but this month you can see almost we reached 50%. Friends, this is one among the best thing a trader can ever experience, a situation where the persons who discouraged you are losing their income. The people, those who told that you can't make living out of trading, are losing their incomes, but whereas we traders are making double income than the usual months which we used to make income. What a situation, right? Yes, friends, I agree that you also would have come such kind of situation, or you might be going through this kind of situations where people are discouraging you, your parents are discouraging you, your wife might be discouraging you, or your husband might be discouraging you, your kids or your friends or anybody. But the only thing which I have to say you is never give up. The secret of mine also is the same. I never gave up. Though I made lots of losses, though I had to borrow money, though I had to beg to my parents, or I had to beg to my family, though I had to beg to my friends. Whatever was the situation, I never gave up. And as of now, you can see my situation have come to a level where I can depend on trading. I'm least bothered about what happens to the job, or least bothered whether I'll have employment, or I'm least bothered whatever happens. I can make money even if the market goes down, or if the market goes top, or if the market moves sideways, or anything. I am self dependent. Friends, this has to be an inspiration for you all. I'm a real living example who have gone through this kind of situations, and I'm standing here in front of you all, and I am saying this only after showing you my live trading. It's not that I'm just saying just for the sake of saying. I am showing you my live trading. I am showing you this month performance. Yes, I agree, this month returns are very high compared to other months, but I can proudly say that I have reached to a level where I can feel proud of myself as a trader. Okay, friends. So thank you all for having hope in me, or having patience in me, and trusting me. And by saying this, I would also like to go to today's live trading video, friends. So today also, as most of you would have seen already, yeah. So today, again, you can see the market is, we are lucky that market is moving in one direction. The bid price and the ask price also, there's no much difference. Okay, so let us look into the different time frames. And also, friends, one more thing I just want to say, all of you who learn with me and who are learning with me the trend analysis are asking about the time frames. Okay, so I would say don't depend on a single time frame. So as you can see that I am using multiple time frames. I am cross checking multiple time frames and then taking a decision. And since you're doing intraday trend, you can look into the 3 minutes, the 5 minutes, and 10, 15, up to 30 minutes candles. You can look and take a decision. Almost 80 to 90% of the candles will give you a single direction. So in this particular case, you can see that it is giving a sense that market is going up. Okay, so this is one of the candle frame which we saw. So don't decide on one candle, look into all of the candles. So this candle also, you can see the 5-minute candle also is showing that the market is going up. The 10 minutes candle also is showing that yes, the market is rebounding. The 15 minutes candle also showing that the market is rebounding. The 30 minutes candle also is showing that the market is rebounding. Yes, so then this gives us a clear indication that yes, we can go ahead with a trending market, that is market is going to go up, and thereby we are going to sell the put option. So this time I'm not going to take risk. I'm just selling one lot. Reason because yesterday it got rejected. Funds were not funds were not available. I have only 2 lakhs with me, and yeah. So since funds are still available, I will just place one more order. Yes, you can see that I have placed 2 orders because we have the sufficient fund. Okay, so generally 2 lakhs is sufficient in this kind of situation. Yeah. So you can see that since because of the volatility, they have closed all the intradays in upstock. That is why I had taken a delivery order, and you can see that the fund used is 1,31,000 for 2 lots. So yesterday I showed you for buying 2 lots, it took me only 50,000. That is the premium value into 20. But in case of selling, you need to have much funds, and that is the reason why it has taken 1,31,000. So in case if you're trading for one lot, you can trade with 1 lakh, or otherwise you can go for options buying as well. Yeah. So you can see that I have placed 2 lots, that is of 40 shares of Banknifty, and the fund was sufficient enough for us to sell 2 lots. And by 10:50 you can see that we are in a profit of around 4,734, and I have kept my stop loss also at 200 points. So since already we are moving upside, you can see even after keeping the stop loss, yeah, this also you want to see, I have kept a separate order for stop loss. Yeah, so even after keeping separate order, it still required less than 2 lakhs only. Okay, so if at all you want to trade with one lot, you can just trade with 1 lakh itself. Fine. Okay, so as you know, I like selling options, that is why I have kept in this kind of level. Okay, so the profit continues at around 10:50. It is around 5,000 to 6,000. At around 1 o'clock when we checked, we almost reached 11,734. So you can see the sell average price, and good enough, fair enough for a very volatile market. But the best part for us is market is moving in a single direction. That is why we are able to make good money, and let us make best use of it. Who's stopping you? Many are losing their jobs. Why not we make more money? Okay, now it's time for us to adjust the stop loss, because you know that almost we have crossed at 10,000 level. So I am bringing the stop loss to our entry level, so that in case if the market reverses also, I don't have to worry anything. So you can see that one order is still pending, that is nothing but my stop loss, and then remaining is going on. Okay, so around 219 I have a profit of around 14,592. so it's a very good day. Okay, and at around 3 o'clock usually it is time for the market closing. Since it's volatile, they are closing everything at 3 o'clock. So that is why I thought I will close it for myself, otherwise they will charge again 20 to 50 rupees something for auto close. Okay, it's better that we close ourselves, and moreover it's a delivery trade, so it won't auto close. I forgot about it. Yes. Okay, so the present levels I am just placing. You can see that it has been completed, and we are booking a profit of around 13,134. Okay, so yeah, you can just see the sell we sold at 1,138, and we bought back at 810. Okay friends, so this was about today's live trading video, and as soon as I booked the profit, I also made my Excel also. I already uploaded my Excel. And friends, in case if you felt that my video was of kind of any boasting today, then kindly pardon me. It was kind of I was little sentimental today. Reason because I told you my uncle called me, the person who same old discouraged me. He called me, and when he told such things, it really made me very sentimental, emotional. That's a word. Emotional is a word. Okay, so once again, thank you for watching my video. And friends, in case if you're not started off still, I recommend start learning options and start trading options. and I'm there with you to teach you, to guide you. So always make use of my help as well. So thank you and have a nice day.